14,000 years ago, ancient nomads accidentally invented bread. This simple food changed everything. The first flatbread was born when Middle Eastern nomads crushed wild grains, mixed them with water, and baked them near a fire. 6000 BC, the Egyptians discovered fermentation. This led to the creation of the first soft, airy bread, a revolutionary moment. The ancient Greeks loved variety, including sweetbreads, barley loaves, and early sourdough. They spread their bread culture across the Mediterranean. The Romans industrialized bread. With public bakeries, professional bakers, and bread rations for soldiers, bread became a symbol of power. Middle Ages. Bread showed class. Peasants ate coarse rye while nobles enjoyed white wheat. Bread was even used as plates. 17th century. Closed ovens revolutionized baking. Paris became the capital of crusty boules and baguettes. 1928. Pre-sliced bread changed kitchens forever. It was truly the greatest thing since, well, you know. Today, bread reflects our global story, from sourdough to naan, pita to rye. The bread of each culture reflects its history. What's your favorite type of bread? Let us know in the comments.